Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to update your vehicle details in the Podpoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the your vehicle section, click on the update vehicle details button. And here, if you have a new car, for example, or if you are just starting with this application, you can set your vehicle type, and once you click on the done button, it is saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.